Welcome, children, to lesson number 9. Be courteous. Courtesy means being polite in our attitude and behavior towards others. It involves good manners, gentleness, kindness, and etiquette. Words like sorry, please, thank you, excuse me, may I, pardon, welcome, etc. are some words of courtesy. Let's now see the story, an act of courtesy. On a hot summer day, Rohit, a 10-year-old boy, was standing in the lawn of his house. Suddenly, he saw an old man entering his lawn. As Rohit moved towards him, he noticed that the man was sweating and was looking very tired. After reaching near the man, Rohit said, "Hello, uncle. How can I help you?" The old man asked, "Is it house number 41?" Rohit replied, "Yes, uncle. I would like to meet Mr. Saxena," said the old man. Hearing this, Rohit said, "Uncle, though it is house number 41, it is not Mr. Saxena's residence. It is actually Mr. Pandey's residence." The old man said, "Seems that I have a wrong address." As he returned back to go, Rohit said, "Uncle, please wait. Have a glass of water." "Yes," said the old man, thinking that he really needs a glass of water. Rohit went inside and came back with a glass of water, a few biscuits, and a towel. The old man ate the biscuits, drank the water, and wiped his face with the towel. He thanked Rohit. Rohit replied, "Welcome, uncle," he added. "This is block number 1. You can try in block number 2. Saying this, Rohit explained him the way to block number 2. So after a few days, Rohit's father, Mr. Tarun Pandey, told him, "When we have to vacate this house, I have come to know about a flat which we will go to see tomorrow." Next morning, Rohit and his father reached a building, leaving Rohit in the parking. Mr. Pandey went in. He returned after 10 minutes and said, "The owner wants 1 year rent in advance. I do not have so much money. We will have to look for some other property." Rohit noticed that his dad was looking quite sad. As they started to move out, they heard a voice, "Excuse me, Mr. Pandey, wait a minute." As Rohit looked upwards towards the voice, he saw the same old man in a balcony. Soon the old man came down. Rohit greeted him. "Hello, uncle." The man smiled. He asked Rohit's father, "How do you know this child?" "He is my son," replied Rohit's father. Hearing this, the old man told about Rohit's courtesy to his father and said, "I am sorry to ask for a deposit. Your son was so good to me that day. It seems that your family is very courteous and caring. You can come to live in my flat and pay the rent on monthly basis." Rohit and his father were rejoiced and said thank you. So children, try to cultivate courtesy in yourself. It will add value to your life and also improve your relationships with others.